Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here how to calculate forward difference table for the fourth difference of the given table. Here one table is given, that is XY table. So for this table, how can you find fourth forward difference for the given table? This is the problem. So first of all, write the table like this. So after creating the table like this, so this is the y function I am taking here. So here we want fourth forward difference. So first of all, in the first column keep y data. In the second column, first forward y difference, that is del y. Next, second forward difference. Next, third forward difference. Next, fourth forward difference. We want fourth forward difference for the given problem. So first of all, find first forward difference. Very simple, just difference, that is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, nothing but 3. Next, 10 minus 5, nothing but 5. Next, 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. Next, 5 minus 3, 2. Next, 10 minus 5, 5. Next, 10 minus 10, 0. This is the second forward difference. Next, third forward difference, the same pattern. 5 minus 2, 3. 0 minus 5, minus 5. Next, minus 5 minus 3, nothing but minus 8. So here at 1 means first value. So this is the only first value at index 1 for fourth forward difference, that is the minus 8. And this is the required value for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification for getting the forward difference. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.